In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. The process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure that everything goes smoothly. So, let's dive in and see how you can manage your Pipedrive contacts effectively. First, you'll need to head over to Pipedrive's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Pipedrive Sales CRM and Pipeline Management software. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and features Pipedrive has to offer. Once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, look for the Login option. It should be prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move to the Login page. Here, enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't logged into Pipedrive recently, or if it's your first time, make sure to have your username and password handy. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Pipedrive homepage. This is the central hub where you can navigate through all the essential features of Pipedrive. From here, your next step is to locate the Contacts section. You'll typically find it in the navigation menu. Click on Contacts to proceed. Now, you should be viewing your contacts list, which contains all the people you've added to your Pipedrive account. Here, take a moment to identify the specific contact you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have numerous contacts. Once you've found the contact you wish to remove, it's important to focus on that entry. To begin the deletion process, look for an icon that resembles 3 vertical dots. It's usually located on the same line as the contact's name. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down menu, you will find the Delete option. Click on Delete, and you might be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a precautionary step by Pipedrive to ensure you're intentionally deleting this contact. So review your choice. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Pipedrive. It's always a good idea to periodically review and clean up your contacts to keep your database organized and efficient. Remember, these steps can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you time for other important tasks. I hope you found this guide useful and that it makes managing your contacts in Pipedrive a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.